Don't say anything. I was being silly.
No, you weren't. I should have noticed that necklace right away, but it's not about that. I've been taking you for granted. I have, and I realized that today. I couldn't have done any of this without you, Astrid. Not the Dragon Riders or the Edge. You've always been there for me, and I want to always be there for you. I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.
I know you do. We don't have to be like them. I mean, we have a different kind of...
Oh my.
Okay, come on, Meatlug. Let's go, make some grapple iron for the armor wing.